Hello students, it's grade 5 block 19, the class trip by Soumya Rajendran. This lesson is a drama. देखिए इस पिक्चर में आपको दिखाया है संतोष is a at Vikram's birthday party. There is a loud music playing. Everyone is eating cake and snacks. तो हम ये ड्रामा पढ़ेंगे. विमल, great party विक्रम. Vikram, thanks. Want more cake? Vimal, no, I'm full. Hey, is that a video game? Yeah, my dad brought it for me for my birthday. Sneha, wow, that is so cool. Sneha takes the video game and starts fiddling with it. The others surrounded her and try to see what she is doing. Santosh doesn't join in. Vimal, this is really great. Santosh, come and see. Santosh, I want to watch TV. The others are busy exploring the video game while Santosh sits by himself and watches TV. Santosh talking to himself. Show off. What is so great about a video game? What a waste of money. Santosh speaking to a group, I'm off. Others all together, not looking up. Bye Santosh. सीन 2. अभी ये सीन 2 में क्या हुआ है? संतोष is eating dinner with his parents. Mother, how was the party? Santosh, it was dull. I wasn't interested. Father, why? Santosh, can you buy me a video game? Father, laughing, a video game? Do you have an idea how much it costs? Santosh looks down at his plate. Mother, why do you want a video game? Santosh, everybody has video games. Father, who is everyone? Look Santosh, you know, these are tough times. We just took out a loan for the house. Santosh, yes I know, there is no money, it's okay. Mother, your birthday is coming up, isn't it? Have you decided how you want to celebrate it? Santosh, I don't want a party. Why not? You can call you close friend. Just leave it pa. संतोष बहुत ही नाराज था. उसके पापा को बोल रहा था कि आप मुझे वीडियो गेम लेके दे सकते हैं क्या. उसके पापा बोल रहे थे कि नो, वी हैव टेकन अ लोन फॉर द हाउस ऑन इट. तो उसे उसके बर्थडे पार्टी के लिए याद करते हैं कि उसकी बर्थडे पार्टी है, उसे उसके फ्रेंड्स को बुलाना चाहिए, पर संतोष नहीं मानता. तो नेक्स्ट लेसन में देखेंगे. अब संतोष जब वीडियो गेम के लिए नहीं मानता है, देखिए अभी तीसरा सीन है. टीचर सिट डाउन. दूसरे दिन जब स्कूल में होता है, सिट डाउन एवरीवन, आई हैव गुड न्यूज एंड बैड न्यूज. विच वन डू यू वांट फर्स्ट? Vimal, the bad news, ma'am. Teacher, okay, I have corrected your test papers and all of you have done very poorly, except Santosh. मैंने आपके पेपर चेक किए और सिर्फ संतोष ने अच्छे मार्क्स लाए हैं उसके अंदर. स्नेहा, tell us something we don't know, ma'am. Everyone laughs, including the teacher. Teacher, okay then, the good news is that we are going for a class trip next week. Where are we going, ma'am? Ooty for 5 days. Super. I will distribute these forms. Please ask your parents to sign. What for, ma'am? It is form for payment. 3,000 rupees. 3,000. Then scene 4. अब टीचर क्लास में आने के बाद देखिए बच्चों को बोलते हैं कि आपका ट्रिप में जाने का प्लान है, उसके लिए 3,000 रुपीज आपको लगने वाले हैं. तो संतोष बहुत ही जोर से बोलता है कि 3,000, हाउ कैन ही मैनेज, ही इज थिंकिंग. अभी सीन 4 में क्या होता है? विमल, विक्रम एंड संतोष आर इन बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट ड्रिबलिंग द बास्केटबॉल. विमल, दिस ट्रिप इज गोइंग टू बी अमेजिंग. विक्रम, ये कांट वेट. Santosh, I am not coming. Why not? You want to go to OT? So boring. Don't be such a spoil sports. Come on, we will chill together. We will go trekking. I hate the mountains. Vikram gets angry and walks away. Throwing the ball across the court, Vimal goes after him. Santosh talking to himself. 3,000 is too much, and we went to Uti just 2 years ago. Pa will surely say it's a waste. Scene 5. Vimal is sitting in Santosh house. देखिए विमल आया है उसके घर पे. Mother, Santosh has just gone to the shop. He will be home soon. So tell me, how is everything at school? Vimal, fine auntie. Did Santosh tell you? The phone ring. It's Santosh's father? Mother, hello. 10,000 again. But we just paid last week. Okay, fine. I will withdraw it and keep it ready. She hangs up looking worried. Vimal, is everything fine, auntie? Santosh's grandfather is really sick. He is in hospital and we have just been running out around paying the medical bills. On top of that, there is the house loan. Sorry, don't worry about it, Vimal. Here, we have some juice. Vimal brings the juice while mother goes inside. अभी उसके ग्रैंडफादर उसको वो जैसे ही विमल उससे बोलना चाहता है ट्रिप के लिए उसका फ़ोन आता है उसके मम्मी का और ग्रैंडफादर के कुछ बिल भरना होता है हॉस्पिटल में तो उसके लिए फ़ोन तो देखती है. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक? Sneha, I think ma'am will understand. I will speak to her. Vikram's teacher. Sneha makes a face and everyone laughs. She goes into the staff room while rest wait outside. Priya, I wish Santosh had told us the truth. Vikram, yeah, instead of acting like he didn't care, he could have just told us what was going on. Vimal, I guess it has been hard for him to be left out of everything. Sneha comes out. Sneha, ma'am said she will speak to the principal. It seems there is a school fund for deserving students and Santosh is always first in class. So, women, super. अभी सीन में देखते हैं वो डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि संतोष के बारे में. संतोष तो फर्स्ट आता ही है हमेशा. अब क्लासरूम का ये जो है टीचर्स वॉक्स इन. टीचर हैज एवरीवन ब्रॉट बैक द साइन फॉर्म्स एंड द मनी. द क्लास शाउट्स yes together except Santosh. Teacher, what about you, Santosh? Santosh, I am not going, ma'am. Teacher, pretending to be surprised. Then how do I have this signed form from your parents? Santosh looks at her surprised. Santosh, how, ma'am? Vimal, we know everything, Santosh, about your grandfather's medical bills and the home loan. Santosh looks down. हमें सब पता है संतोष आपके ग्रैंडफादर के बारे में और होम लोन के बारे में. Teacher, it's nothing to be ashamed of. You can still come on trip. It is all being arranged. Santosh looks up smiling. तुम आ सकते हो ट्रिप में, सब अरेंज किया गया है. Scene 8. अभी on the train. Vimal goes around waking people up. Vimal, it's time to get up. He finally wakes up Santosh. Santosh rubbing his eyes. What's happening? Everyone surprised. Happy birthday. Sneha brings out a cake. Everybody signs and celebrates Santosh's birthday. The play ends with Santosh looking happy and cutting the cake. देखिए इस पिक्चर में दिखाया है कि वो उठते हैं सवेरे जल्दी ट्रेन के अंदर और संतोष को बाद में उठाते हैं. उसके बाद उसे केक कटिंग करने के लिए कहते हैं. मतलब उन्होंने उसको गिफ्ट किया है कि ट्रेन में उसका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया है उन्होंने और ये गिफ्ट जो है वो ट्रिप में आने का गिफ्ट जो है वो दिया है उसको. तो इस तरीके से ये स्टूडेंट्स लेसन है. स्टूडेंट्स, I hope you can understand the lesson properly. Till our next video, goodbye.